In this video, I'll help you find the best digital camera for content creators. All products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Our journey begins with the Sony ZV-1F vlog camera priced at $398. This camera is a content creator's alley, featuring an ultra-wide 20mm lens that ensures everything gets in the frame, ideal for arm's length vlogging. Its large 1-inch sensor paired with an f2 lens excels in low light conditions and creates stunning background diffuse effects. The camera's eye autofocus and tracking technology keep your subject sharp and in focus. Additionally, the side articulating touchscreen LCD is perfect for composing selfie shots with ease. The camera's clear voice technology using a directional 3-capsule mic ensures your audio is captured with precision. This compact powerhouse is an excellent tool for creators who need a reliable, high-quality camera for their vlogs. Next up is the Sony ZV-1 digital camera for content creators, available at $648. This camera is a marvel of technology, boasting a 20-megapixel stacked back illuminated 1-inch Exmor Aura CMOS sensor, ensuring top-notch image quality. The 24-70mm lens offers versatility from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups. Its fast hybrid autofocus and real-time eye tracker make capturing dynamic scenes a breeze. The side flip-out LCD screen is perfect for vloggers, and the bokeh switch mode creates beautiful background blur on demand. The automatic exposure tracking ensures well-lit faces, and the onboard mic with a windscreen delivers superior audio quality. The camera's image stabilization ensures smooth footage even while on the move. Designed for content creators, this camera offers enhanced color reproduction and pro video functions like HLG and S-Log 3/2, catering to all your creative needs. Another excellent option is the Sony ZV-1 digital camera in white, also priced at $648. This camera shares many key features with the previous model, including the 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and the Zeiss lens. It's tailored for content creators with fast hybrid autofocus and real-time tracking for sharp, clear images. The flip-out LCD screen ensures easy framing for vlogs and selfies. The camera's color optimization offers enhanced skin tone reproduction, making it ideal for portrait photography. Like its counterpart, it features advanced audio capabilities, image stabilization, and advanced video functions, making it a versatile choice for content creators seeking quality and convenience. Our fourth highlight is the digital camera for creator accessory kit, available for just $189.99. This 4K camera is equipped with a 48-megapixel sensor and a 16x digital zoom, capturing high-quality images and videos. Ideal for vloggers, it includes a remote control and various creative functions such as time-lapse and slow motion. The kit comes with a rechargeable tripod grip, external microphone, additional lenses, and 2 batteries, providing a complete set for content creation. The camera can be used as a webcam for live streaming, adding to its versatility. Its flip screen and pop-up flashlight make it suitable for a range of shooting scenarios, and its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go content creation. Last but not least, we have the ANICA 4K digital camera for photography, priced at $199.99. This camera kit is a content creator's dream, offering 48-megapixel sensor and 16x digital zoom for capturing detailed images and smooth 4K videos. The kit includes a wide range of accessories such as a microphone, tripod, additional lenses, and a big full light, enhancing the creative potential of your photography. The camera's 3-color filter allows for artistic expression, and the additional large fill light ensures clarity in a low light conditions. With a 32GB SD card included, this camera is ready to use right out of the box. Its compact design and multifunctionality make it a fantastic gift for beginners and experienced creators alike. In conclusion, each of these digital cameras offers something unique for content creators. The Sony ZV-1F, perfect for vloggers looking for a compact solution, while the Sony ZV-1 models cater to those seeking advanced features. The digital camera with creator accessory kit is a great all-in-one solution for vloggers, and the ANICA 4K camera provides a comprehensive kit for versatile content creation. These cameras are not just tools, but partners in your creative journey, helping you to capture high-quality content effortlessly. Whether you're filming a vlog, streaming live, or capturing stunning photographs, there's a camera here to meet your needs and elevate your content. And there you have it, my list of the best digital cameras for content creators. Don't forget that links to all the products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Thank you for watching, till next time.